The best thing a trader can do after entering a trade is getting a life. Like, don't watch your trade as it's performing, because as you're watching your trade, you will feel the need to do something, especially if the trade is going against you. Chances are you're gonna keep dragging your stop loss and making it wider and wider and wider because of something called ego. If you have something called ego with trading, the market is gonna humble you, because the market is a market, guys. We can never know what's gonna happen in the market, so it's like a probability game. If you're gonna lose the trade, take the loss and move on from the loss. But it's very hard for people to accept losing, because in a general world, when you lose an argument, when you lose something, naturally you feel defeated and you feel the need to get back, to get that person back. And that's what people do when it comes to trading. They want to show the market that they know what they're doing, or they were right. But there's no such thing as being right. It's either you're on the wrong side of the market at that time, or you are at the right side of the market. So if you are in the wrong side of the market, you need to accept that and wait for another opportunity to be on the right side of the market. The market is going to be there for more decades, so there's no need to trade as if you have to retire tomorrow.